Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth in Jeep Compass, full guide. Start your Jeep, enable Bluetooth on your phone, and press the Uconnect phone button to start pairing. Make sure the radio displays the pairing prompt, then select your vehicle from the phone list and confirm the PIN if prompted. Stay calm, follow prompts, and your phone should connect for calls and audio within a minute. Turn the radio to the Uconnect home screen, tap phone, then add device to begin pairing. Your phone will scan and list Uconnect or Jeep Compass, so tap that entry when it appears. Confirm the numeric PIN on both the head unit and your phone, then accept or pair on each device. After a successful connection, allow contacts and messages access for hands-free features to work smoothly. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like the video. It really helps the channel. Quick recommendation: automobile life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your Jeep smelling great while you drive. I've placed the link and other deals in the description below so you can find it easily. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. If pairing doesn't work, restart your phone and the vehicle's infotainment system, then try again from the phone menu. Remove old Bluetooth entries from both the phone and Uconnect to avoid conflicts, and check for software updates on both devices before retrying. If problems persist, consult the vehicle manual or call support, but most issues resolve after a restart and clearing old pairings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.